Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to cut a hole in Blender. So first we need to do is go to the upper side and go to Add. Then we need to go to Mesh and select here Cube. Now I recommend you to go to Toggle X-Ray. This will allow you to selecting through items. So I click on this one option, then I click Add, I go to Mesh and I select here Cylinder. Okay, our cylinder has been successfully created here. Now we need to select Cube and go to Modifiers, Modifier Properties. Then we need to go to Add Modifier. We need to go to Generate and select here Boolean. Then we need to click on Object and select here Cylinder. Remember to select here Difference, and here we need to click on Arrow and click Apply. Now we need to select our cylinder and click G. Then I can change position of this object, and I click right mouse button on it and click Delete. And now, like you see, we have successfully cut a hole in the object. So if you change the mode to Material Preview mode, you will see the changes that have been successfully applied. And it's everything in this video. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And that's all for today. Thanks you for watching.